Hello?
Uptown Swing.
Level 2, tempo, right, val. Whee! So we started with taking a few moves that you know as moves with triple steps, 6-count moves.
We have the glide. Boom. Hey. Hey. Boom. Hey. Hey. We have your duck turn. Boom. Boom. Your side pass.
And then bring your...
And bring it back in. Boom.
And then we talked about what happens if you take out triple steps and do the same sequence.
Boom. Hey. Hey. Boom. Hey.
Still
Hey.
6-count.
Boom. Hey. Hey. Boom. Hey. Hey. And a room. Bring it back on in.
And we practiced that a bunch. It was actually kind of hard for some people to take out those triple steps. We had some ghost triple steps happening there.
Yeah, we brought the tempo up over 200 beats per minute, so practice that footwork on your own.
And then we talked about just a couple of things that were happening there. We really want people to try and relax, because when the tempo goes up, oftentimes it's the stress levels.
You're holding your breath?
Yeah, you hold your breath. And we really want to try and relax. And again, you're taking triple steps out, so you're doing a little bit less, but you can also try and relax into that.
Yeah. And then the other thing we reminded you of was keeping everything stacked up and not taking too big of steps so that you were slipping out from under you.
Yeah.
And that's what we did. We'll see you next week.